In this video, I'll show you how you can fix your monitor randomly goes black screen and stutter and flicking. Now, first thing that I suggest you do is you come here and search for CMD, right click and run as an administrator. In here type sfc space / scan now and press enter. Now this is gonna start scanning your PC and it can take a few minutes, so we can just minimize this while it's doing that. After that, what you wanna do is you wanna check on your monitor, behind your monitor, and make sure that the cable is fully plugged in and locked in place. If the cable is not fully plugged in, then that can cause some issues with your screen. Then after that, what we want to do is we want to search for screensaver. Go in here and make sure screensaver is set to none. Then go to change power settings. Then whichever you have selected, I prefer high performance, but balanced is fine as well. But the one you have selected, you want to go to change plan settings. In here, you want to make sure both of these are on never. Go to change advanced power settings. Find PCI Express. Find link stage power management and make sure that you turn this one off. After you've done that, you can close it down, save the changes. And then what you want to do is you want to search for device manager, open it, find your display adapters, right click and update the driver. Now you can search automatically. And if it says you already have the best one, you can come to this one and let me pick from a list. And then you can try and choose all of them here. So first do that one and then do this one. Now after that, what I also suggest you do is you download the software that's to your monitor. So if you come here and you can see that I have the NVIDIA, I have an NVIDIA graphics card. So I'm gonna go download the NVIDIA software, which is this one. So basically, when you download this, you can open it up. Of course, if you have another graphics card, this one might not work. But for me, NVIDIA is the one that works. So I'm gonna open it, and then from in there, I'm gonna make sure that I have the latest update for my graphics card. So as you can see, it's updating right now. And once I'm in there, I'll be able to update my graphics card. Now after that, it should hopefully work. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.